magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I hope we are all safe. So today I'm going to cook something healthy, simpleng lugaw or congee by using oatmeal. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. So these are all the ingredients that we have or mga sangkap na ating gagamitin. So we have oatmeal here, ginger, garlic, onions, salt and pepper to taste, salted egg, and oil. And then you can add breast chicken as well. So lagay na natin yung oil. After that, we have to saute the ginger or igisa. Halo-haluin lang. Isunod ang bawang. Sobrang bango. Nakikita niyo ba? And then, onions. Halo-haluin lang hanggang maluto yung onion. After that, ilagay ang oatmeal. Then, saute lang. Nalimutan ko i-mention sa inyo na maglalagay tayo ng water. After that, i-add na ang tubig. Then, haluin again. Hanggang maluto. Then, add ang paminta. And then, ang asin. Tansya-tansya lang, guys. You can add nor cubes as well if you want. Madaling-madali lang to. So let it boil. Mga 5 minutes, luto na to. Kasi madali namang maluto yung oatmeal. Ito na guys, after 10 minutes, meron na tayong healthy lugaw by using oatmeal. So, you can try also this one and then comment down below kung na-try nyo na siya. Sobrang dali lang talaga dito. 10 minutes lang, meron na kayong masarap na lugaw. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So, see you on my next video. Bye!